Welcome to Sek Math Academy. In this lesson we are going to see centroid. What is meant by centroid? Centroid means center of the gravity of the any shape. Now in this lesson we are going to see centroid of a triangle. Center of a triangle is the point, intersection point of the medians of the triangle. Centroid of the triangle is intersection point of medians of triangle. Okay, what is medians? Median is the line segment connecting from the vertices to the midpoint of the opposite sides. Okay, what is median? Median is the point, line segment. Median is the line segment connecting from the vertices to the midpoint of opposite side. Midpoint of opposite side. Okay, this side, this side. It is a midpoint. What is median? It is the line segment from the vertex to midpoint of the opposite side. Okay, in one triangle there are three medians from each vertices. The beauty is these three medians intersect at one point. It will not do like this. For example, it will not go like this. It will go like this only, because these three medians will intersect at one point. This is called center of gravity. Okay, for any triangle, the center of any triangle means acute, obtuse, or right angle triangle. The center of gravity is inside the triangle. Okay, orthocenter, it will vary. For orthocenter, acute is inside and right triangle on and obtuse outside. But centroid, all cases it is inside. Okay, another beauty is it is dividing the median in 2:1 ratio. It is dividing the median 2:1 ratio. It is 2, it is 1 in this ratio. Okay, this is another. For example, this is A, B, C. Centroid generally denoted by G, D, E, F. AD is equal to AG is to GD is equal to 2:1. Okay, suppose I will tell AG is equal to 10. What is GD and what is AD? This kind of the questions common in grade 8 and 9 classes. Okay, what is AG? GD is what? 2 parts is 10 means 1 part is 5. GD is 5. AD is 15. 10 plus 5, 15. You understand? This is 10 means this is 5. 10 plus 5, 15. Okay, another one question. Suppose BE is equal to 21. BE is, copy it down until BE is equal to 21. Okay, BG, GE, BG is what? What is the length of the BG? BG and GE are 2:1 ratio. Okay, BG and GE are 2:1 ratio. So BG will be 14. 2x plus x is equal to 3x is equal to 21, x is equal to 7. Sometimes people get confused. Where is 2? Through the vertices, it is 2 part. Vertex side, it is 2 part, and the base side, it is 1 part. Okay, and so they may ask you, giving one. Okay, another one question I will give you. FG is 8 centimeter. What is CG? What is CF? How much? This is 1 part is FG is 8. So this is a 2 part. CG is 16. CF is 24. Got it? Okay. That's all. Now, another one way to point out the centroid. x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Point out the centroid. How to find the centroid? The formula is G is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3. G is equal to y1, this is x coordinate, y coordinate is y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Okay, how it comes? This equal length, this equal length, this equal length. Okay, how it comes? X1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. What is, suppose this is A, B, C. What is a BC midpoint? x2 plus x3 divided by 2, y2 plus y3 divided by 2. Okay. Now, what is this ratio? This is 2, this is 1. How to find this point? What is the formula? M is to N. M is to N is, copy Donatello. M is to N divides the ratio is mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Okay, now what is mx2? Here m is 2. Now x1, y1. Here what? x2 plus x3 divided by 2, comma y2 plus y3 divided by 2. 2:1 ratio. Okay. So m is 2. x2 is this one. 2 times x2 plus x3 divided by 2, comma, not comma, mx2 I put it, plus nx1, 1 times x1 divided by m plus n, 2 plus 1 is 3. The same way there for y coordinate, 2 times y2 plus y3 divided by 2 plus 1 times y1 divided by 3. So what will happen? This cancel. x1 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 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, comma, I will write it here, y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Okay, you understand? This 2 will cancel this one. Okay, this is the how to find this coordinate. Centroid not only divides what is called medians, it is dividing orthocenter also, orthocenter and in-center in 2:1 ratio. Okay, let us see one sum. For example, these are the 3 points, 3, 15, 7, 8, minus 2, 9. What is the centroid? x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3. Minus 2 plus 3 is 1, 1 plus 7 is 3 plus 7 minus 2 divided by 3, 15 plus 8 plus 9 divided by 3, 8 by 3, 32 by 3. Okay, this is a centroid. Okay, sometimes they will give you, copy down, sometimes they will give you this point. They will ask you this point. Okay, five, 8 centroid. They are asking this point. How you will do it? Okay, x1 plus 10 minus 2 divided by 3 is equal to 5. x1 plus 8 divided by 3 is equal to 5. x1 is equal to 15 minus 8, 7. So this is 7. Okay, y1, 4 plus 5, y1 plus 5 plus 4 divided by 3 is equal to 8. y1 plus 9 divided by 3 is equal to 8. y1 is equal to 24 minus 19, 15. So coordinate is 7, 15. Thank you for watching my video. Please keep watch on, subscribe my channel, study well.